7 skills you need to develop if you want to become a millionaire. You may feel trapped on some level in your life at times. You know you need to change something, and you know you're ready and have the means to do so, but there's always the question of where to start. The first step is to begin developing new skills that will lead to favorable outcomes. Being a millionaire would be fantastic, but as any successful entrepreneur will tell you, there are certain skills required to get there. Here are 7 skills that are necessary for 7-figure success. If you have at least 4 of these 7 habits, you are good to go. So pay close attention. Let's get started. 1. Make your speech brief. How successfully do you communicate your ideas? Millionaires know how to communicate clearly and simply. They utilize the words with great precision, and everything they say has a profound meaning. You can study the entire dictionary and learn the meaning of every word, but when you talk pompously, you destroy opportunities with your own hands. To summarize, never drown them in a flood of words. Such advice is given by one of the successful millionaires. He claims that in order to improve his public speaking skills, he joined a local Toastmasters group. Unfortunately, many people are too lazy to improve their communication abilities and instead automatically follow the routines of others. 2. Sales. You are either selling or being sold in this world. In either case, you must pick a side. You may become a millionaire if you try to master sales, the highest paid profession. Anyone who has ever sold knows that it significantly improves everyone's quality of life. After all, everything in your vicinity has been sold. 3. Emotional intelligence. You can take care of thousands of others if you can take care of yourself. Understanding human nature is critical to success. Millionaires are aware of motivation, tone of voice, tact, body language, diplomacy, empathy, and other aspects of emotional intelligence. Most of this may be taught just by paying attention to others around you. Remember what Theodore Roosevelt said, "People don't care what you know until they know how much you care." 4. Make decisions. If you want to become wealthy in your lifetime, you must be able to make quick judgments that constantly work to your advantage. If you delay when making a critical choice regarding an investment or your business, you may discover that the opportunity has vanished after you have settled on the best course of action. Not only that, but you must be knowledgeable enough about your assets and industry to make sound judgments every time. To become a better decision maker, offer to lead projects that will allow you to exercise this ability, prepare lists to help you analyze your alternatives, and connect with people who may be able to offer guidance. To enhance this talent, you should regularly undertake study regarding the sector you operate in, as well as the financial situation. 5. Motivation. However, you will not be able to make money by merely waiting for chances to come to you. Instead, in order to become wealthy, you must be proactive and consistently strive towards acquiring the riches that you seek. To do this, you must be highly motivated in order to advance and remain focused. Without motivation, you may discover that your goals are abandoned and that you give up more easily. To boost your motivation, make sure you get enough sleep and eat and drink enough, that you take brief breaks, that you create achievable goals, and that you enhance your positive thinking. 6. Define your goal daily. Many successful and wealthy people advise writing your goals on a piece of paper every day. Whether you write down your financial objectives, organize your daily duties, or suggest new ideas to extend your empire, you should surely make it a habit to define your goals on a regular basis. This habit will provide you with the motivation to act on a daily basis. Setting objectives every day helps you identify priorities and keep the most important things at the top of your list. One of the most crucial things you must do is to identify your priorities. When you are able to identify the most profitable pursuits, you will get closer to becoming a millionaire. 7. Confidence. However, in order to be as rich as you have always dreamed of, you must have confidence. Confidence can help you earn the promotion you've always wanted. So, believe in your potential to start your own business and network with those who can help you succeed in the future. To become wealthy, you must first think that you can do so. Then, you may enhance your confidence by concentrating on your accomplishments and abilities, interacting with people who encourage you, and taking care of your body and health, such as by eating a nutritious diet and exercising regularly. If you improve at even half of the things on this list, you'll be off to a terrific start, and we sincerely wish you the best of luck on your journey. Which of these talents do you need to work on the most? Let us know in the comments. We're curious to know. Thanks for watching.